Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing the control room key immediately. Do not search every room first. Open the nearest supply box or finish the mission objective that drops the key, then equip mobility perks and a silenced weapon so you can move quietly. Once you have the key, scope the minimap and pick the shortest path to the control room while avoiding main choke points. This initial speed prevents other players from stealing the timer and gives you position advantage. You approach the door from a flank to reduce encounters, and then use the key on the inner panel when the interact prompt shows. Hold the interaction. The animation takes a couple seconds, so crouch or lean behind cover to avoid being shot. Once the panel opens, move to the control terminal and begin the required interaction or minigame. Make sure to cancel unnecessary reloads. You want uninterrupted interaction. If teammates are nearby, assign one to watch entrances so you can complete the action safely. You complete the terminal task and confirm the objective success on your HUD, then immediately decide. Exfil with the team or fortify the control room for final kills. If you stay, place mines or watch choke points. If you leave, move fast and use smoke for cover. If the key interaction fails, reopen your inventory to verify the key is active, cancel the animation and try again, or quickly retrieve another key from nearby supply points. This fixes most interaction or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.